Yo, peace and love, guys. This is your boy Colo coming through with another chunky video. And you know I cannot get started until I thank all of the subscribers, new, old, existing, and potentials. Shout out to you guys. Love you guys. Can't do it without you. And as you know, I don't... Interesting, an Adidas box. That's kind of funny. As you know, I don't condone the resale, selling, or manufacturing of replicas, UAs, unauthentics, whatever you want to call them. This is a gift that I do really appreciate. However, I do have two other pairs of Chunkies right now, so this will be more of a comparison video to the other two pairs that I have. I will be giving this pair in this video away very, very soon. So if you're not following my IG, you should, because I give away all the exclusive details for these giveaways on my stories and on my Sundays live. That's it. I'm not answering any questions in the DMs. I'm not answering any comments, anything like that. You got to follow the stories and you got to chop it up with us on the lives. And that's why I'll pick a winner. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this. This is a size 10. Right off the bat, they do look a little different than what I've been seeing. So let's take a deeper look at this. Okay, well the check looks good. The check is it's big, how it should be. It's dripping. It's a good check. The tongue is not poofy at all, and that's kind of a problem when you're dealing with SBs. I know there's SBs that well, no, there's not. Actually, SBs are all supposed to have like a fat tongue. It's the non-SBs that don't have it, so that's a little questionable here. But let's look at what we got in the box. Green and yellow, that's always good. Of course, they threw in my favorite, Stock X accessories, and the paper looked like it had some goo or something on it. I don't know. Also, some Nike paper in there. We'll just put that back in the box. Here's a quick look at the box. There's really no damage to it at all, so hopefully when I send it to whoever wins them, it comes that way as well. So let's just jump right in. Let's take a look. All right, so this pair definitely looks different, and I'm just going to use the word different for, you know, so I don't have to use harsher, meaner words. I don't like to smash companies or disparage companies at all. I mean, it takes a lot to make these shoes and get them sent to us, so, you know, I'll just use different words. So these just look different. They're very, very, very blue. Like I mentioned before, the check looks okay, but the inside colors, they're not popping at all. They're not very vibrant at all. They have like this faded look, which really shocks me. So let's go ahead and compare them to the other two pairs I have. Okay, correction, I'm only going to compare it to the other size 10 that I have, which I did wear, not that other 11. So, all right, we got them all lined up. Let's just look at some differences here. Right off the bat, let's just go ahead and start looking at the checks. The one on the right, which is the Kicksies, that's going to be the bigger check. They're both a size 10, but just kind of look at them. Look at the color of the blue. There's some big differences there, I must say. Okay, had to flip the camera up real quick for you guys. This is the pair that I've worn. I've done a video on these as well. And I'm not saying this pair is perfect at all. Look, there's like a little stitch mark right there that's out of balance. See that? Yeah. This pair does not have that issue at all. So they got that right. That's a good thing. They got the check right. They got the stitching right from what I can tell at this point. There's no poof in this tongue at all. I don't know how they didn't put any poofiness in there. Like if I'm wrong and there's no poofiness in the Chunky Dunky, please let me know, but I'm pretty sure there's some poofiness. I'm like 99.99% sure. I'm actually kind of shocked by that. But if you, some people don't like I know Nailman doesn't even like the poofy tongue, so I mean that might be for you. All right, let's take a look at the insoles, and this is where I was very, very surprised. I would say pretty much shocked. Look at the zoom unit there. Like that is very, be careful with my words, that's very different. Like that thing pretty much peels off. Like you're not supposed to be able to peel that off just like that. I'm trying to recenter it, you know, to do it some justice so I can, and look at that little foam part is just extremely different than what you would see on other pairs. Just to be very nice, let's go ahead and look at The other pair here I have on the right, if I can get it out of there. Come on. All right. There's some huge differences. The color. The other color is like grayish. The one on the right's kind of black. The air unit's not off-centered. Look at, they're missing some graphic as well on the soles. Like the one on the right is more detailed. The one on the left is, it's different. So I'm just being fair here, guys. All right, let's see if the other one's like that too. It is. It's not off-centered, but boy, that is some different quality controls. What I'll keep saying. Yeah, that one's a little crooked too, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You don't see these things, but it definitely plays a part. The graphics, though, look at the shape of the shoe as well. It's more like a, you know, like a regular dunk as opposed to like the skateboarding dunk. It's kind of just, I'm just not sure where they were going with this one. That's all I'm gonna say. The materials, as far as like the fur they're using, that looks okay. All right, let's have a quick look at a retail pair of SB so you guys know what I'm talking about here. So just look at the overall shape of the sneaker. Like, look how poofy it is. Look at the insole. That's a really nice insole. It says SB on it. Look at that. That's how it should be. That is how it should be. Let's grab the other one real quick. A little side by side. See, it's not popping up. Man, they got to get that right. I know it's just an insole, but that's what you walk on all day. It's just as squishy and springy, but how they put that together was very different. And you know, I love Zoom Air, but I just cannot get over that protruding. It's like it's not even glued in. Maybe I'd have to walk in these to get that, but you're not supposed to do that. It should just be glued on there, right? Like, look at that. So different. Okay, and here's that size 11, just so you can kind of see the color of the toe box at least. See how it's kind of consistent on the other two pairs? And the one on the left is just very deep blue. Like, see, consistent, you know, all good. And then we have what we have. But that, I mean, the leather feels fine. It's just, I don't know where they got that color from. And I understand this is probably their first batch, but I don't know. And the back of them as well. Like, look at the back here. It looks like a whole different cut, essentially. Like, let me adjust my lighting so you can see what I'm talking about. Like, the cut of the back is just 100% not the same. I just don't get it. Even the back from the 11 is a bit more consistent, but I don't know. So we have another Chunky Dunky on feet segment. Here's the thing. I am not actually going to put the Chunky on because these are going to be for a giveaway. But let me just show them to you a little bit more closely before the video's over. So I just don't want to crease the shoe up or anything like that. I want the person that receives them to, you know, as a result, has a dead stock shoe. So let's take a look at them. Like I mentioned before, the check looks good, but everything else, I mean, they're wearable. It's still a shoe. And shout out to the company that, why am I all fuzzy like that? Hold on, there we go. And shout out to the company that got me these. Like, I'm not ungrateful, I just have too many pairs and I want to give them to somebody that does not have a pair. Quality was a little, I don't know. You guys be the judge, let me know in the comments. But I mean, again, I appreciate the shoe. It's not a bad shoe, I just don't think it's very close to the retail version. I don't know. They smell decent. They've been in my car, but they smell all right. It's a shoe. Hold on, that window behind me is kind of messing up the shot a little bit. Let me turn a little bit of this. It looks like a Chunky. Let's put them on the floor at least. I mean, come on. I mean, it's okay. It's still a shoe, but, and I understand it's the first batch, but man, I really wanted to like this pair. I mean, I do like the pair, but I think I would enjoy giving them to someone else a little bit more than keeping them for myself. I have too many shoes right now, so I think I can let these ones go. Don't you guys agree? I'm sure somebody in the comments is going to want these. So again, follow me on IG. And again, I appreciate the sneaker. It's just not up to the standards of what I've been seeing. So much love to the company. If you guys would like to gift me another pair that maybe looks a little different, that would be great. But as for right now, I'm out. Peace, love, and light. Plenty more videos coming. I will check you guys in the next one. Peace.